Making another batch of food. This is $13 worth of chicken breasts, and I trimmed off most of the yucky parts. They were boneless, skinless, but they always leave little bits on it I don't like, so I trimmed those off. Now soaking it in a brine of salt, sea salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Real lemon juice. I'm going to let that set up in the refrigerator overnight before I add tons and tons and tons of potatoes and carrots and cook up a batch of food for the next week or so. See if letting that set overnight does good things to the chicken. Whoa! My alarm went off an hour and 45 minutes ago and I missed it. So, we shall see. Whoa, baby. Can you say overdone? I suspect. Let's see what we got on the thermometer here. Oh, man. Oh, those potatoes ain't done. I can tell by feeling that. Whoop, I'm getting steamed up here. 78. See if we can get down to a chicken. Yeah. Nearly 200 degrees. I think that's done. Well, it'll taste good. Interesting. The potatoes seem undone, undercooked. These are the new Florida potatoes. Maybe they don't get soft. But that is hardly a flaky potato. Wow. No, that's not a cooked potato. Wow. Okay. Gotta dig down and dig that chicken out. This is why Judge shouldn't cook. In my head, for some reason, it was set for 6 p.m. when it actually was done at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. maybe. So I'm putting in a sink of cold water now to cool it down as quick as possible. And then I'll get that chicken out of there. The potatoes and carrots are not done, amazingly enough. I don't know what it takes to get them done. And I'm curious to find out what very overcooked chicken in water does. Might be all rubber now. I've put another liner in the pot, which is still quite hot. I'm going to transfer the potatoes and the carrots into there because they're going to need a couple more hours anyway. And then I can get at the chicken. Okay, I got the potatoes and carrots separated and I got them in on high. I'll put them in there for another 2 hours. And I got the chicken separated out. And a little piece of it fell off and it's actually pretty damn good. So who knows? It did say 6 to 8 hours. Okay, checking these potatoes many hours later, a couple hours later. It's 8 o'clock or so. Okay, it's starting to get soft. Still a bit firm. I'm going to leave them in there for another hour. And the chicken's all cooled out now. I'll deal with that in a little while. I'm in the middle of editing. Okay, it's been another hour or so. I don't know because I got caught up in editing and time flies. And I just tried one of the potatoes. As you can see, it mashed up nicely. Okay, and I took a little bit off, let it cool down. It's actually quite a nice potato. Nice texture, nice chew. Very nice. But they took a while. And I didn't get a very good grab. I just grabbed a couple of scoopfuls and got mostly potato. And some of the potato were a little firm to mash. So we'll see how it goes. Well, actually, let's see right now. That's good. Yep. Okay, there you go. I'm not going to do the chicken now. I'm going to do the chicken later. Okay, having some of the chicken for lunch. I've just broken off a couple of hunks here. And good. Maybe slightly on the dry side, but with 2 hours of overcooking and reaching 200 degrees, quite edible. Probably a little mushy for chicken, but quite edible. So there you go. Next time pay attention to the alarm.